microwaved Barbies,
Dude, her head's gone.
welded them together, and threw the microwave off a 5-story building. All for our love of Margot Robbie and to see what brutally melted Barbies look like.
She's ready.
2 minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's see. Open it up. Oh, her fades.
It's a
Let's do 5 minutes.
5 minutes on the clock.
Bro, you're so much fucking like muscular.
Get the torch. Weld them.
Frosted tits.
We got a minute left.
It's like we're creating that comic book.
Yeah, after watching Oppenheimer, we got creative. 30 seconds left on the microwave. Bro, I love how he said he's on fire. His is getting put back together, and he just has a leg. Someone want to kick it open?
Oh, rip the microwave.
Fuck, bro.
Dude, her head's gone. Had the leg.
Oh,
Don't put it.
What?
Oh, no. Okay, start her up.
put it on. Put all of them in and put it on.
Let me run. 10 minutes.
Okay, we got 10 minutes to kill now.
It's 100% like fucking exploding. Bro, let's go stick one of the burnt Barbies in his exhaust. Bro, it smells so bad walking over here.
8 minutes.
I'll put my lighter.
Dean, you might want to turn your car around so we can get out of here quickly after we do it. What? The plate is not spinning anymore. Oh, and there goes the leg.
Playing with that, man.
No.
It's so warm.
5 minutes.
You're too old for me.
Too long.
Say that.
She's 2 years younger.
It's done.
Finished.
Oh, fuck no, bro.
It burned. Make it burn.
Is that the white Barbie or the black Barbie?
This next part, we had a huge problem trying to figure out how to get the microwave up this ladder and on top of the roof, especially because someone broke the cord we were going to use to pull it up.
How are we gonna get it on the roof now? Don't try to put it back in.
Spit on it, spit on it.
You said to spit on it. I was listening. Look at him. He's fucking it now.
He loves it.
Don't assume where I'm at. It get heavy, so I never lie. Then I know I'm not bugging.
No, it holds weight now. Watch. Give me the cord. Never mind.
So first, we just dropped it from 5 feet.
Glass in my shoe.
Oh wait, there's still Barbie in there. Don't play me. I'm a Barbie girl. And a fucking bitch.
Look at the insides of her.
Yummy.
Damage isn't actually that bad.
No, it's all good. You just, put this back on.
Taylor, can you come up here behind me and help me?
Fuck no.
What graphics card is that, bro?
It's a good graphics card.
Okay, it's probably safe. That was so not satisfying for how much work I just did. What a guy. Sounds like Lego. If we get in trouble, this guy did it. We have proof of him smacking the glass.
Okay, I'll leave you alone for 2 seconds. He's already naked.